Damn it. Oops. Sorry about that. Couldn't record. Anyway, this is about the little flower I seen in the woods the other day. The Asiatic dayflower. It's a herbaceous annual plant in the dayflower family. It only blooms for one day like the mayflower does that I showed a few weeks ago. In China, that's what it's known as. Duckfoot herb, or dew herb in Japanese. They emerge from summer through fall and are distinctive with two relatively large blue petals and one very reduced white petal. See, as you see there. Beautiful, ain't it? Anyway, and that's how it got its name and everything. They've been used in Japan to produce a dye and a pigment that was used in many world-renowned, I ain't gonna try to say that, woodcuts from the 18th and early 19th centuries. In the modern era, the plant has found limited use as a model organism in the field of plant physiology due to its complex pigment chemistry and the ease of viewing its stomata.
Yeah, but I can say
anyway,
that.
Hang on. I'm recording a video, honey.
I know.
I ain't even gonna try to. Anyway. Oh, traditional Chinese medicine also used it too. I'm sorry, I skipped over that. Research has also revealed that the Asiatic dayflower can bioaccumulate, that is the accumulation of substances such as pesticides or other chemicals in an organism. Bioaccumulation occurs when an organism absorbs a substance at a fast rate faster than that at which the substance is lost by catabolism, and excretion. Anyway, you know me that. A number of metals as well, making it a candidate for revegetating and essentially cleaning spoiled copper mines or other metals in the soils, you know what I mean. Several animals and fungi use the plant as a food source, with a few species feeding upon it exclusively. Fungi, whatever. It's telling me about it, how it grows and everything there. It's beautiful, look at it. Anyway, those are where it's found here. Oh shit, oopsie. I say you've seen that shit. Anyway, where it's there, right there. And there. That's where it's indigenous. Anyway. Okay, there. Oops. There's about it. There's the field guide. There. The leaves are 5 inches long, 2 inches wide. It says it's an invasive weed. Something that cleans the soil is invasive. Okay. Anyway. There's that. And here is this here. Whatever that's about. Calling it an invasive plant. And there is a recipe for it. Hang on just a minute. Okay. Here's a recipe. It says cream dayflower recipe, foraging Asiatic dayflower. Wild edible. Where to find it? Partial shade and moist soil, like I found it there in the edge of the woods there. There's a little stream there nearby there too. Anyway. It's easy to spot there, so you can also rest of the plant. You can use the rest of the plant as well. Yeah. They look like tiny irises. They do. tell you what the seed looks like and everything. The pod. How to harvest it. Be careful not to yank out the plant's root system. That's, like it said. Instead, just break off the top several inches of each stem. There. See what it looks like. And you had to break it out and stuff. And eating it. The leaves, the stems, flowers, the immature seeds are good to eat at any time during dayflower's growing season. They are great raw, but also worth trying steamed and stir-fried. For the best mouthfeel, the stems should be chopped before they are eaten. You can preserve Asiatic dayflower greens by blanching and freezing them. There's the recipe. Let's see. It'll tell you how to make it and everything. I will do that. And medicinal properties as well. As it says for cold and flu. Anyway. The diuretic, eliminating excess fluid, or as a gargle for sore throat. What's it tell to do this? There you go, see? And like it does to the soil, gets the metals out of the soil. Leaves and shoots are edible with a green bean flavor. They can be used in salads or minimally cooked with other greens. The flowers, which bloom only one day, May through October, in salads as well, or like that one recipe or decoration. The above ground parts are used to cool fevers associated with cold and flu, or fever. It's in China. Recent study, I ain't even gonna read that. Okay, there you go. It can be mashed and applied as a poultice to cool inflammation on the skin as well. There you go. They collect excess copper in the soil, which makes them useful for there you go. A process of restoring the soil after contamination from industrial pollutants. Best way to keep this plant under control is to use it, preventing it growing to seed, which you can easily do either by eating it or using it medicinally. Well, you can grow it. Anyway, they say it's invasive. Anyway, here's another page there. It says pretty much the same stuff, so anyway, go back to this pretty flower here. There we go. Look at that. I don't even know what my thing's playing anyway. Look at that. Anyway, take care, y'all. See you later. And like anything, look into it yourself. I just wanted to share this. Thought it was interesting. So, anyway, take care, y'all. Have a great day. See ya.